With the coming of the Act, it helped to give the buyer or the hirer some rights and protections under the law. So, for instance, the owner of the property cannot go and seize once the person would have paid at least 70%.
That was Denise Hodge, Senior Legal Advisor at the Chambers of the Attorney General, reminding consumers of their rights as per the Hire Purchase Act. Hodge revealed this during the weekly program, Simplifying the Law, hosted by the Ministry of Legal Affairs. The Hire Purchase Act 2022 legislation abolished the right of sellers to seize items if they are owed 1 month's installment. Providing further details on the requirements of hire purchase to both consumers and business owners, the legal advisor had this to say.
The owner has to ensure that the price, the purchase price, the hire purchase price, the cash price of the item is clearly in writing. These requirements ought to be complied with. The owner has to comply with all of these requirements. They're a prerequisite of him later on trying to repossess or to bring an action against a buyer.
Meanwhile, Mahani Sudama, State Counsel, emphasized that consumers have the ability to terminate their hire purchase agreement after a 7-day period, although this would incur a cost. The Hire Purchase Act is in place to safeguard the interest of both consumers and proprietors. Moreover, the senior legal advisor strongly advises consumers to thoroughly review the details of hire purchase agreements, especially with the Christmas season approaching, and to ensure that they make their installment payments promptly. The amended Hire Purchase Act was passed in the National Assembly in November of 2022, seeking to level the playing field between consumers and sellers in relation to hire purchase, credit, and conditional sales agreements. The bill, which was read in the National Assembly in December 2020, was sent to a special select committee for consideration. That committee had its first meeting in June 2021, but commenced work in April 2022. For the HGP Nightly News, I am Kerese Gonsalves.